Hello everybody and welcome to NEET Mentor, a draft regulation published by Dr. R.K. Vats, who is Secretary in NMC, National Medical Commission, and is for Foreign Medical Graduates, FMG. It's regarding duration for the completion of a screening test is 2 years. From the year you complete your MBBS from abroad, within 2 years you have to complete your screening in order to get the registration to practice in India. In case of next is implemented, then additional examination you have to take apart from other candidates if you are FMG, and then you will be eligible to practice in India. There are other eligibility criteria they have mentioned it in, so I will discuss it in detail. Before we proceed, I urge you to subscribe the video, subscribe the channel, so that all the updates related to FMG NEET PG 2021 and its counseling process will be coming to you as a notification. You click on the bell button also. Okay, so let's get started. So in this notification, they have clearly mentioned is a draft regulation. It means they have drafted it and it is sent for the comments. Once the comment will be coming, and they will be publishing it in official website, in the official gazette. Once it is published in the official gazette, okay, from that date of publication it will get implemented. Right now it's not implemented, so I will update once again when the official publication happens. That you can see in the point number 1, they shall come in force for the date of publication in the official gazette. So the date it get published, it will get implemented from that date. And the eligibility criteria for licensing to practice in India. So they have mentioned all the eligibility criteria. Let me summarize. It is nothing but you should have done your 12 years of schooling up to senior secondary in India, and it should be passed. Your subject in 12th should be physics, chemistry, biology or biotechnology. The candidate must have qualified NEET UG, that is NEET National Eligibility Cum Interest Test for undergraduates. After NEET UG qualification only, you will be able to get admission into abroad for MBBS courses. Another criteria is you must have completed your 54 months of theoretical and practical training for acquisition of primary medical qualification, and the university from where you do your MBBS in abroad should be recognized, and you must be having a license to practice in that country where you have done MBBS from, and the license should be valid of the point number E. The registration in that country should be valid for at least 10 years. Once the next stage implemented, that is national exit test, it becomes operational, and the next exam will be happening in 2 phases. It will consisting of next step 1 and next step 2. For FMG candidates particularly, the step 1 of next will include one additional paper to assess the knowledge of pre and para clinical subjects also. So this is additional paper you need to take, particularly for foreign medical graduates, in order to get you eligible to get a registration certificate to practice in India. So that is complete notification what it talks about, but right now is in draft phase only. The comment will be coming to revise it, and after everything is done, it will get published in the official gazette. The day it gets published in official gazette, from that day it will get implemented. So right now you don't need to worry, but you have to prepare accordingly. If you are planning to do MBBS from outside, then you must have the preparation, or if you have done the MBBS from outside, you must have the preparation to complete it within 2 years of time frame. So thanks for watching and have a nice day. Goodbye, take care.